Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by getting both devices ready. Charge them above 50% and turn on Wi-Fi so transfers don't pause. Once done, sign into the same Google account and enable contacts and photos sync so core data is preserved automatically. Next, install or open Vivo clone phone on both phones. Make sure Bluetooth and location are allowed so devices discover each other quickly. Do not waste time on decorative settings. Launch the transfer app now and choose the old phone as the sender. You now perform the core migration. On the old phone, select sender, and on the new phone, select receiver. Scan the QR code or accept the Wi-Fi direct prompt to pair. Once connected, pick precise content categories, apps, messages, photos, call logs, and settings so you control what moves. Make sure both screens stay awake and avoid interruptions. If prompted, grant file and contact permissions so the transfer completes. The app copies app data where supported, then queues APKs and media to install on the new phone. You finish by signing into your accounts and reauthorizing apps that require two-factor authentication. This restores synced mail, drive, and app purchases. Once done, verify contacts, photos, messages, and essential apps work normally, then run system update to ensure optimal performance. Remove the old phone from account lists and factory reset it if you plan to sell. If something goes wrong, try the transfer again for the failed categories or restore from your Google/Vivo Cloud backup. This usually.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.